but I don't know if he's going to make it. Come on, little guy, cool down. Are you still there? Come on, wake up. So guys, this little fellow got caught in our shop today at the body shop, and it took a long time to rescue him and manage to get him out of the shop. He kept flying up to the ceiling, and I wound up actually having to climb kind of up a pipe and reaching in behind a machine that's mounted up on the wall. And it's not the little guy you see in the screen. This is just so that I can tell you the story. And anyway, I caught this little guy and I took him outside and I blew cool air onto him and tried to revive him by talking to him and kept moving his little body. So as you can see, I took him outside once I managed to capture him. He kind of slid down the wall and onto this beam. And I took him out and I tried to keep my hand really open to keep my heat off of him. And I kept talking to him and giving him little nudges and wiggles and just hoping. I could see he was breathing, but very slowly. So I just kept talking to him and trying to revive him. And I know it takes a while when they're in shock and they're overheated like that, but I really knew I had to keep talking to him as well so that he was kind of aware that there was something else going on. And I kept working at him like this for about 5 to 10 minutes. So, yeah. Come on, buddy. Oh, good boy. And finally, after working on him for about 10 minutes, he starts to liven up a little bit, and away he goes. So in the slow-mo there, he looks like maybe he flew just over backwards and crashed, but he really didn't. He took off that way and went down and then went straight up, and some swallows were circling around him, but he was absolutely fine. So all ends very well. See you guys.